Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, getting into technology, and in this video I'm going to take you in and show you how to create a YouTube channel. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, so what we want to do is create a new account. And so how you're going to do that is you're going to open up Safari, or you're going to open up Google Chrome. In this scenario, I'm using Firefox. And so we want to go up to the far right corner where it says sign in. You see the little hand and the arrow. Left click on sign in. And it comes in here and it says sign in to continue to YouTube. We don't have an account, so we can't go there. So we've got to come down here to where it says create an account, and you want to left click on that. Now it asks you for myself or to manage my business. So we're going to do myself. So I'm going to put my name in there. And then email address. And when you're creating a password, make sure that it's encrypted. So you want uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. And you're going to want to write it down for some safekeeping, so later on when you come in here and they ask you for your password, if it wasn't saved in your browser, then you have to re-enter it in. Or if you have a password reminder, in Macs they do. I don't know if it happens to save it in Firefox, but I believe it does. It may ask us here when I'm going to click next. So what you want to do is go down and click next. So verify your email address. Enter the verification code we sent you to your email. So what I'll do is I'll pause this video. I'll go get the verification out of my email, and then I will be back. I've actually brought you into my email because I want to show you what it looks like, what you look for in your email. It's going to say Google, verify your email address. Verify my email address is at blah, blah, blah. And then the verification code is down at the bottom here. And what you want to do is hover your mouse right in front of it so the pointer turns into like a T with a line at the bottom, so an upside down T as well. I don't know what you call that. Anyways, and you're going to left click. You're going to hold, drag over to highlight it. And on a Mac, you're going to go Command C. PC would be Control C. So stay tuned. I'm going to pause you, and then I'm going to take you right back to the sign up. So hold on. Okay, so now we're back at the browser where it needs a verification code. So you could write that down on a piece of paper, and then you could manually type it in, or you can go Command V on a Mac, and there is the number right there. And that would be Control V on a PC. But basically we're just talking about Macs here. So what you want to do next is you want to go down and click the verify. So let's go verify. And now it's asking me for a phone number. Optional. We'll use your number for an account secure. Well, no, not right now. You can do that later on. It's optional. For age verification. So we're going to go August 12 1969. So you got to click gender. So male. So male, and now you want to click next. and now they want you to go through the privacy and terms. So what you want to do is just hover your mouse over here and then scroll down to the bottom and just click agree. Will you allow YouTube to send notifications? Yes, allow. And then basically you are signed in to your new account with YouTube. And here, check out your new library, find history and playlists and purchases and more. So all I want to do for this video is bring you in, show you how to sign up an account. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Please comment and share. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.